Hey, what's up? I'm back. Um, yeah, so we made a few bucks on mainly risk reward setups, and right now ETH is slow as hell. So I think I'm just gonna ditch ETH and try to trade something else. I don't like the pace. It's yeah, it's kind of slow. So yeah, let's go. Let's try to find something better, more volatile. Let's see what's pumping. Jeez, yeah, this youth is still pumping. Crazy. Super. How much volume is in this? Okay, no. So I see Link got stopped, I think due to the trade window. How much volume is in SATs? Yeah, it's a bit too small. Yeah. Dia's moving. Yeah, so what I'm looking at right now is nice increase in price, but also a little bit of volume, because otherwise what the hell is Ordi doing? I need to check this out. So yeah, I'm gonna probably short Ordi. Yeah, okay, we try to sweep this. Yeah, we're probably gonna reclaim. Let's go. Let me quickly put a trade window here. Yeah, so the trick with days like this is to be exposed, but be exposed in a way that even a correction does not harm you. Like right now, I think Bitcoin is making big moves, and it's very likely that Bitcoin is yeah, going to retrace or correct, just to take out a lot of those FOMO people that just buy without any bias or any, yeah, their bias is price going up indefinitely, so it's never going down again. And those people usually gotta learn a few things by losing money. So it's just my experience, like if you want to be exposed during crazy upside, like everything is green, yeah, you want to keep track of funding rates. Like if they turn heavily positive, like red, which is not the case yet, you probably shouldn't be too exposed. Like risk reward low, it's probably the most I would be exposed. And if you do look to trade something with more risk, the setup has to be superb. Like you need multiple levels of layers of support, or multiple layers of resistance in case of shorting. So that's really something I yeah, would recommend people who are new. Like it's very easy to now just look at the list and be like, okay, we can just long everything. My UPNL has been green now. It's red for now, but it has been green for like 3 hours in a row now. So you're like, okay, I'm invincible. I can win. I can just fucking do this. That's the moment you start to make mistakes. That's the moment where you start to forget what the market is trying to tell you. And right now, yeah, it's looking really good for Bitcoin. I have to be honest. I kind of expected it to already puke around this area, but we managed to break up again, so it's a higher low, and it's very likely that we're going to sweep at least this level and maybe see some follow through towards all-time high. Who knows? I do know with the buy side liquidity being here, there's also a big chance that people are basically shorting here, and we could see a reaction after this because there's a lot of air here. It's just no more levels to retest until I think around 7, maybe 70. Like, it's a psychological level, but other than that we could just fucking move all the way up. But still, if we correct, and it might be due to price, it might be due to some news event, it could just collapse and it will cascade, and all these people who got in, they all liquidate or stop or get the fuck out. And that's the reaction you want to be prepared for when positioning. So at the start of a higher low, like this level, for example, if you see this, like, okay, I think it's forming a higher low. This, like around, this, I think this is a level to take on more risk, basically. But right now, I think I want to see a retest at the high of this previous resistance, and if it keeps, if the bulls are strong enough, I'll probably take more risk. But right now I'm just scooping up obvious setups, and I have to be completely honest, it's pretty hard today to find something good. At least that's volatile enough for my liking. Like, I think a lot of coins will probably move lower. Like this is looking very good for shorts. This as well. It's like these are just major levels of resistance. Jupiter, I must say, it's looking strong, but I do think this block of moving averages combined with VIP and probably horizontal support will get tested. I really wanna trade something. So Pico is doing some crazy shit. The volume, man. Oh my god, it's. I could just simply not trade this because my API is like 9k and the total volume is like 7.2k. So if I were to enter, the price would probably just plummet because I just got in. And it would take a lot of time to get the fuck out because it does require other market participants to fill my orders. Yuma. Yeah, I think if this is the 12-hour, Bitcoin is pumping, all the altcoins are pumping, I think you want to get away from Yuma because it's not doing anything, and for me it indicates weakness today. ZRX might be interesting. Yeah, this looks kinda spoopy because it did compress and afterwards it just started grinding up, so I think this could be a valid breakout. It could go way higher in my opinion. So I'm gonna stay clear of this. Yield, yeah, I'm just definitely gonna short as fuck because I think there's a lot of volume involved as well. What? Okay, the volume sucks. The volume really sucks. I'm still gonna short it though. Like the volume is very little, but I think we could get a decent dynamic TP on this if we were to go higher first. It's like there's no retraces. Let's front run this with the high. Yeah, let's front run the daily with the low. Yeah, look, it's us. We just entered the market. Yeah, so yields. Here's the low. Here's the high. It's also just kind of fun to see how the market reacts. Like sometimes if I join, especially with a bigger API, some people tend to just follow. Like they get attracted to the increase of volume. It might be other algorithms, I don't know. But okay, we're in. It's good. Yeah, what else? Ooh, this is a sick rejection, by the way. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, I still think these levels are next. Like this buy side liquidity, if Bitcoin stays strong, this buy side liquidity is just for the taking. And we'll probably sweep it. Might even just fucking gap up towards the daily 200. Yeah, this is something. I'm running ARP at my reservoir setups. Alright. Yeah, so the thing is, most of the time when the market is going up, it's better to just stay sidelined, wait for a higher low or a pullback, see a reaction, than just basically chase the price with longs. And I think right now I'm actually late. I've been playing a game, I've done some work for Pino, and right now I'm just late. I think it's better for me to just wait, see what Bitcoin does, than just chase the price. I mean, it's good to short right now with a challenge account, but other than that, I think it's better to just wait a little, see what unfolds. And because I do see setups, but they are a little bit uncertain. They are not like A++ super setups. Like also the projects I see trending, yeah, other than Optimism, I don't really like them that much. Yeah, Arbitrum is also good. Tia, I'm not sure because Tia has been in a grinding distribution of hell. But other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna browse a little through more charts in hope to find a setup I like. Yeah, I think there have been a lot of bases created. Like this is also a high time frame base, as you can see on the weekly. Like something like this usually ends up expanding either upwards or downwards, and because of its post halving, I do favor upwards. Oof, man. This like distribution. You should train your brain on seeing this. Something like this happens. Usually it's like a staircase. This is just fucking distribution. It's also a nice base. Yeah, I tend to call them base. learned a lot of other traders also call this a strong base. The more compressed price gets, the bigger the volatile move gets afterwards. How much volume is in BOMI, by the way? Yeah, it's also small. Kinda sucks, man, because I do like the volatility of BOMI. It's fucking crazy. And yeah, True was too small. Let's also look at funding. Okay, so all funding is positive. What's Pepe up to? Yeah, look, we traded Pepe a lot. Okay, I to be honest, I mean, this is a very low time frame chart, but I think even the higher time frame will give away. This could actually end up becoming a distribution pattern. Like, over the years now, I've learned to recognize something fairly early, which is very useful in trend trading, by the way. But right now, I don't like. As you can see, you have all these wicks to the upside, so there's a lot of absorption of shorts. They're all, yeah, they just keep piling. So that, yeah, I mean, if you look at the daily open, Bitcoin has moved upwards. Pepe literally didn't do anything. So it's a sign of weakness for me. Yeah, I might also short Pepe. Well, yeah, it's hard. I think there's better projects to short, so yeah, I'm not gonna do it. It's very easy to just get the fuck into everything. Yeah, nice. Yeah, Near's the same. I fucking hate Near, by the way. It's personal. XMR. How have I missed this? Holy fuck, XMR is actually looking really good. So XMR is always a little bit creepy because it's a privacy coin. But right now I think XMR is looking pretty damn sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna look at the higher time frame though. Yeah, this is definitely good. This is less fortunate. Oh man, I'm really trying to find something like a gem that's fucking volatile, man. ZRX. I have to check CoinMarketCap for this one. Okay. So yeah, the circulating supply looks good. It's 84%. Let's check the analytics. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's it about? out anyways. Oh. Ah, okay, so Ethereum is going up. Okay, that's interesting. Check it out. Oh. Oh, fuck this shit. I'm getting so tired of fucking... This UI can be very annoying when you're tired. Okay, yeah, man. I mean... man. Like I said, you have to take in account like the worst case scenario, but I must say ZRX is looking good. Like, the downside, it's... Yeah, until this big level, it's like 20%, which is the trade window of Marsaltech. But I think it's gonna be trending, so I probably, for me it's still hard. I would like to jump in on Marsaltech because you could make a lot of more money on short-term price action. But on the other hand, if the trend really plays out and we correct on the way upwards, risk reward is way better. So this is a nice compression that. Okay, let's do some proper analysis on this shit. Yeah, okay, this one gave itself away. Okay, so there's a lot of confidence that this is actually support. Oh yeah, I really like this. Fuck this shit, man. I'm going in. Are we gonna trade this Marsaltech short term? Let's see. Ooh, it's kind of tricky, man. No, I'm not gonna do it. Like, it's fair. I'll probably make like 20 or 50 bucks, and then it just turns against me. So I'll get out of Marsaltech and I'll make a risk reward setup. Oh yes, this is looking very, very good. I really like the volatility on this one. Ooh, let's go. ZRX. I'll add Ethereum here, just to fill it. Nice. Look at it move. It's like 2% in like 2 minutes. That's the shit we like. Am I right? Yeah, it's creating nice higher lows as well on the lower time frame. Let's check this out. Yeah, so we are going to put some trade windows. I do think this could go way higher, in my opinion. Yeah, I think this is also going to be a little resistance. Very likely. Very likely, yes, that's what I thought. Yeah, I actually, if we manage to wick above this resistance, I actually would like to reassess how it looks. So we're just gonna put the trade window here, because I think it will wick higher if we were to go higher right now. If we were to, if we're not able to reclaim this wick, we're probably just gonna move a little lower again. In which case, yeah, I want to reassess. Let's put it here. Oh. Yeah, I think this will do. So our hodl zone is 57.9, and our trade zone, if we zoom out, you'll see it's really looking good for us. So even if Bitcoin gets hit by a nuclear missile, I've seen it happen, guys. I've seen it happen. Even then, we could just easily tank all the way towards these lows and still be fine. So it's looking promising for us. This is one of those gems you just find when you're just scooping, just looking around charts. I mean, the highlights almost like 30 minutes, but there have been some useful things, I guess. Yeah, so ZRX. So now I'm kind of curious if I can find some more gems. Like, in my opinion, there's so many projects that are showing amazing price action, like Ethereum Classic as well. You could just fucking milk this, man. This is basically a range. So if it were up to me and I had like another challenge, I would probably short this with Marsatek. That's just how it looks for me. And if it breaks out, okay, it breaks out, I'll try to get out as fast as possible. Maybe at break even, or maybe even at profit. But yeah, man, I mean, the markets, it's just the volume. It has to increase. When the volume increases, it gives so much more opportunity, and it's way safer for you to unload some weight in the markets. But right now, I think it's looking promising. Oh my. Sui, man, I nearly forgot about Sui. This as well, man. Look how many days? That's like a month. Just one entire month of fucking distribution, man. If you get caught in this, you're oh man, you really will hate everything. Like, there's no way even our algorithms will get out of this. Like, yeah, let's check this. Yeah, maybe over here, but then you get caught in this again. So it's really, yeah, this is shit, man. Ocean. It's also looking decent in my opinion for a spike up. Yeah, I think, yeah, okay, meme coins are looking shit today. This is really bad. But other than that, yeah, it's looking great. Theta is also looking good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stick to ZRX now. See what happens. Probably gonna make some money on this. I really hope it's gonna stay volatile as we have seen before. Yeah, I'll be back later. Alright, bye bye.